Guys, welcome to Forex Trading Institute. Let's go to the chart. Now I'm using my PC, so let's try to pay attention to our trading spikes there. Let's try to let me share the screen. Okay, guys, now I'm using my, I think we are able to see everything now. So guys, we are trading spikes here. This is my max liquidity level that I've drawn before the spike. So let me start again, drawing it 10 minutes. I want you to see everything here on spikes. So here it's everything that I want to show you. It's a max liquidity level. It can tell you before the market move, it will break above. It acts if maybe like it's kicking out. You see everything. And then if you can check now, we had trades there, you see. Now we got one spike. We got one spike. So it acted as if like it's breaking above. So we're still expecting more trim as like this one that I'm using. Now it's 1 minute. So we're still expecting more spikes there. So let's hold with patience. I want to show you everything there. So I'm still expecting more spikes. Then we even crash 300 minutes. Let's go back to 1 hour, H4, okay, 15 minutes, 5 minutes. Let's use 5 minutes. So you see, this is crash 300. There is something like this. If you can check how crash 300 it's moving in a zigzag way, something like this. It now broke the market structure here. Is the what? Is the BMS. So mostly it won't break above here, this red level. It will do this and then continue going in a zigzag way. This is now the prediction of crash 300. Do you understand? So this is the prediction of what? Crash 300 to continue selling. So what we do this. Do this. We are going there. We are going. So small accounts, this is the level where you can be willing to do what? To sell. So this is the bearish market structure that is on building 5 minutes time frame. So now we're still hoping for crash 500 to go down. So let's just continue waiting and holding. Remember, never trade against the spikes. Why? Because trading against the spike, it's very risky because you don't know what time the spike will come out and how many spikes will come out from there. So now let's check booms while we are still holding these ones. So here, guys, don't be fooled by this. We're using 50 minutes time frame. We are using 50 minutes time frame. Anytime now we can get a spike that we want. You see? So this is our prediction. Remember how I made this 15 minutes time frame, bank's liquidity level. Do you understand? So now we can be expecting what? This long-term run. This is crash 500. Okay, let's check crash 1K. 15 minutes time frame. Okay, 1 hour. Check the market run. You see, obviously we missed this one because this is currently trending down. Do you understand? So this is the market structure that you have to only find. Always sell crashes, never buy crashes. It's very risky. So we missed this one. So now what you can do for a minute and see if you can get a flip zone. Sure, I will miss a lot. 5 minutes time frame. It's not likely for the market to come inside here. Anytime it can shoot out a spike. So in case it shoots out, let's just have at least one trade running there. Let's hold with patience and see. Then in the meantime, we'll be analyzing booms. Scalping booms, and then we'll buy booms, we sell crashes. Always make sure that you understand the risking against those two. Okay, let's check if crash 300 managed to issue. Yeah, simple. You see what I told you? Simple. 5 minutes time frame. Remember, I told you Gucci crash 300. It won't break above. We got one spike. 5 inside the red zone. This works for Forex Trading Institute, guys. Let's trade spikes. Let's kill spikes. Let's kill spikes. Let's kill spikes. You see, I showed you while it's rallying here, and then never trade against the spikes. Spike anytime now can get another spike. So let's check booms. Let's check booms. Boom 500. Chart window. Boom 1K. Chart window. Let's do this. I'm sure that you are following, guys. Let's do this. Okay. 1 hour, this is a 1 hour time frame. We should be able to identify sensitive levels. Do you understand this? So booms, sensitive levels. So the sensitive levels that we're even on boom 1K using 1 hour time frame is this one. So unfortunately, there is nothing that is special from now. This is our key level, sensitive key level. Something like this can predict something like this. This is boom 1K. You see, let's check the overall trend on using 4-hour chart. Let's check the overall trend using a 4-hourly chart. You see, it's still trending up. Yeah, that's the only key level that you can be able to buy on. This is boom 1K. You see, so let's have patience and wait. Let's check another boom 500, boom 500, boom 500. Okay, order flow. You can apply order flow here. Let's check a daily chart. Overall trend is a sell. So if you can check the overall using a daily chart, what can we expect? Something like this. So we're expecting for a long-term buy on what? Boom 500. This is a daily chart. This is my order flow. This is my order flow. Simple things. Remember what is an order flow? Downtrend, and then ranging market structure. Then from there, what happens? Uptrend. And then during this ranging market structure, we can have a what? Liquidity injection here. And then liquidity injection, something like this. And unfortunately, fortunately, we had it. Here is it. So expecting a what? Long-term buy. Something like this. Guys, I'm trying to be fast because this thing is limiting us. You see? Something like this. This is our what? Boom 500. Okay, let's do this. You buy here. Where do you set stop loss? Risk management. You see, set stop loss where below the what? Below the liquidity injection, you see? And then from there, TP. This is the daily time frame, long-term buy. TP1 here, you see? TP2 somewhere there. TP2 somewhere there. There's something like that. Simple. This is a daily time frame. You just hold. You see? So let's check another spikes that we can scalp while we're still holding those other ones. Before we hold other ones, let's check. This is boom 500. Let's go to 1 time frame, 1 minute time frame, and see. Already we caught one spike. Simple. For example, Forex Trading Institute. Then let's go to crash 1K and check how is it going. Crash 1K. Maybe we got another spike. And Danko, this is what I was trying to show you guys, which at least if we can be having one trade so that it never leaves us with nothing. So we got the spike here, you see, this was the Forex Trading Institute, simple like ABC. So now our thing that we have to do is to hold the crash 500. Let me show you something. Let me show you some magic. Crash 500. You see, it acts like maybe it's pushing up. This is not a push up. It's not gonna be pushing up. So far it's just kicking out many people. So this is how we enter trades, guys. Don't be surprised. So we, as long as we see our level is very strong and sensitive. Remember, I used 15 minutes time frame. Let's do this 3 levels. You see, everything is clear there. So by the time it pushes up, remember what's happening above this level. Above this level, there is something like this. What's that thing? Is it this one? Let's see. It's not this one. It's this one. Yeah, there is this. As I'm trying to show you how to catch these spikes. This is a long-term trade. 16. Yes. You see, there is a liquidity pool here. You see what's happening? Liquidity pool. If you can check, already one spike showed out, something like this. Yeah, guys, don't be fooled by these things, guys. Here we're going to get a spike that will even break below, something like this. Something like this is going to come out here, guys. We have experience. I've been trading for some time. You see, so at the end of the time, it's just giving people false hope for those who like buying there. And then you see now it's starting to reject. If you can check, let's do this. If we go back to 5 minutes, check how the candles are going. They're starting to reject now. There is no momentum. You see here, it was going up. Let me highlight. If you can check, let's shift this one. If you can check here, if it was serious about going up, even here it should continue doing that. But then if you can check now, starting to issue out spikes. So these small spikes, they're just giving us a signal that sellers will gain momentum soon. So let's not be fooled by these candles. Let's not be fooled by these candles. And then let's check maybe some other spikes that we can scalp. I want to show you how to kill these spikes, guys. These things they don't know, they don't talk. So these things are programmed, guys. You can't be defeated by something that doesn't even survive. So let's do something like this. Let's check which spike booms. Let's check booms. We're still having boom 300 there, and then yeah, boom 500. Okay, boom 1K is the one that I was telling you we'll analyze. Let's check boom 300. Check boom 300. Guys, you can see still trending up. So you do something like this. You see, how do you enter trades? Guys, never ask me such questions. By just not even like, you don't have to analyze. You see how this candle is formed. You see, this is trending up. And then this is just what? A pullback. So what do you do? Something like this. This is boom 300. Guys, scalping spikes is very easy, or trading spikes is very easy. It's very easy, these things. That's boom 300, boom 300, boom 300. And then it's just that these things, guys, they need patience. Without patience, you can't trade. If I can show you there, check, okay, let's check the daily chart. You see, 100, H1, 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 okay, H4 is fine. If you can check, guys, if this thing was serious about going down, check here what it has done here. Check what it has done here. It has given us an order block, you see. So this is just a pullback, guys. This is just a pullback. There is someone who didn't mute his mic or a mic here, and I'll remove this person. If you can check, guys, check the momentum of the buyers. Check what's happening inside this highlighted zone that I will highlight here. Check from here. Check what's happening. If you can be able to see this, guys, are you going far? Hey, guys, who's this person now? If you can check this, there is no momentum of sellers. Only if you can check the candles, or maybe let's switch to 1 hour, the highlighted zone. You see, on 1 hour, what's happening? There is a flip zone here that you can identify. There is a flip zone that you can identify here. People have been crying for my sessions here today. I've made something out of the box. So this is a flip zone. So we can expect a reversal from this zone and then continue trending up. So if you can check the momentum of buyers here, check. You know, guys, you know these things. Check. You know how the market moves. This is an uptrend. So what is this special to sell here? Nothing. So the only thing that we have to build now is patience on holding. So I'm just trying to show you everything about spikes. So My network is getting bad. It's getting bad. It's getting bad. So I want to show you how to win these spikes. All these trades we're going to win them, guys. With no doubt, no doubt, no doubt. We are going to win these trades. So if you can check, this is what this. Why remember we're using a daily hourly time frame on Boom 300. So every pair or asset that we're trading, it goes with its time frame. You understand? So you don't have to panic. So the higher you use the time frame, the higher you hold trades. The higher the time frame you use, the higher the patience you have to build. So let's check what then spikes. Oh, yeah. So when I'm talking about spikes, I'm talking about all these added pairs here or assets here. Crash 500, we done with it. Analyzed, we just holding with patience. Then we're heavy crash 300, the one that it has to currently move down. Then we're heavy crash 1K. Then the one that is still having to also continue going down. This one. Remember our hourly chart. You see, this is a nice downtrend. So patience there. Guys, you don't have to use indicators here. Nothing special about using indicators. Just it needs the real you with patience. So what I love about these things is that as long as you're not trading against the spikes, then the spike it covers many pips. It covers many pips. So maybe let's check where we were. It was on 300. This is the hourly chart. So let's check the time now. It's just that now it's a daily rejection. That's why these things are fucking slow. So but then let's hold, and then I can make another session after this one to share you results. Let's just hold. And then if you're having a question, guys, you can meet me inbox. I'm recording this session. I will upload it on YouTube. So to save time, let's do this by 12:30. I'll make a session to share results. So please make sure you attend to share the results. So now we're just doing what? Holding these trades, and then I will share you results, how it goes. And also via WhatsApp, I'll share you results, how it goes. So yeah. Before we go out, let's check Crash 500. How is it going? Maybe you can see a spike before. Remember, they were just using a market structure. Crash 500, the one that I was telling you about, this one, people there, if you can check the hourly chart, what's happening on the hourly chart, creating a rejection. You see, creating a rejection. Don't be fooled by these spikes. Don't be fooled by these spikes. Here it goes. You see now it's clearing this below spike. So what it can happen now, anytime it can shoot out a long spike that it goes below our red level. So let's just hold with patience. I will show you the results afterwards. I just wanted to catch all spikes with you guys. Unfortunately, these things, they are slow due to time. So let's just end this session. I'll upload this session. So gonna meet around 12:30. Yeah, I'll make another session 12:30 so that we can be able to see where it ended with our spikes. This was our Forex trading, guys. If you have any questions, meet me in box. Peace. Hello guys, welcome to the Forex Trading Institute. We're gonna be continuing with yesterday's session on spikes. So now what I will do, I'll share the screen so that you can be able to share the results. Remember, we were trading spikes yesterday. So guys, here's the platform. Do you still remember this setup that I've made? So for those who didn't manage to attend yesterday, I'll just try to combine these videos and upload them at YouTube and also on Telegram. So guys, as I'm saying, I'm a bank trader. If you still remember, we've made these setups yesterday. I was with you here midnight, guys. So this is what we got. Now we are checking the results, how they went. My arrow, nothing changed from there. Yes, my arrow and everything that this crash 500 will just break above and act as if it's going up. Many people were buying it, and check what happened. It went back down. So remember what I said about this level, guys. Remember what I said about this level. I told you here above this level, there's a lot of money. There are buy stops. There are people who are setting buy stops, and also those are setting stop losses. You see what happened? And then the market grabbed everything above the level. Then afterwards, it went deep down. Do you understand the content that I was sharing with you yesterday, guys? the very same setup I've made yesterday. This is a 15 minutes time frame. I didn't even use 1 hour. I just stick up to 15 minutes time frame. Then let's check the trades, guys. Here are the trades, you see. Here are the trades. Yeah, the trades, you see, everything was placed above. As I told you, which means that the market, when it breaks a key level, I keep selling. I don't buy. I don't panic. I know I'm a big trader. I'm trading with the big banks. I'm trading against small traders or retail traders. Do you understand how we trade these crashes? I told you, if you still remember, again, I'm repeating, guys, which this is crash. When it breaks above a sensitive level, it doesn't mean which it will buy. No, it just grabbing a lot of liquidity outside. And then what happens? It will grab it back down to the market. Then check now. Let's say maybe you want to sell. Where will you sell? There is no level that you can sell. You see, even the sellers are like gaining momentum, are still in high momentum. So there is no buying pressure, it's only selling pressure. So there is no level where you can buy here or only selling. You understand? So guys, I shared with you this setup before I placed these trades. I placed up with you these trades. I told you, okay, if it's breaking above me, now I do what? I'm selling or going down. So these are the results for what? This is crash 500. Let's switch to a lower time frame and see how it went. You see, this is a nice, like, check. I told you good, guys, when it come back, it will come with a high momentum like it. That's what I'm telling you every time. Never buy crashes. Check what happened. Check. You see, this was just a kick out. Then from there, what happens? A nice drop down. So let's check other spikes. Crash 500, 300, I mean. Now I crashed 300. It's just that this one was volatile. All trades were won. Here, if I'm not mistaken, I remember I used 1 hour. Do you still remember? I used 1 hour here, and then I went to 5 minutes. I was showing you, okay, this is crash 300. It goes with the market structure. So if you can check 1 hour, here, 1 hour, like it's now showing you a clear direction to where the market is heading. So remember the advantages of being a bank trader. What is it? You trade the upcoming move. You trade the upcoming move. That's being a bank trader. So retail traders, they trade the current move. They trade what they see now. So now we trade something that we don't even see. We're just predicting. We're just expecting. If you still remember when we go back to crash 500, remember the market was trending up. Then by the time you know what we do, we're selling. That's a bank trader. But a retail trader will be high, keep buying. This is just a retracement. We're going up. And then after that, what happens? It kicks you out. So if you can check, maybe let's check to H4. Check what happened. Check what happened to H4. This is H4. Let me turn off the trade level. See what happens at H4. This is H4. This is H4. You know what? This is a liquidity injection above there. It was just injecting everything that was above that level. There was a lot of money that side. So going to H1, let me show you. Like retail traders are those people who say maybe when the candle closes above the resistance level or whatever level you call it, it's a true breakout. Then this was a true breakout to them. Then afterwards, it kicked them out. Do you understand? So please, guys, so let's check booms. Let's check booms there. There's also crash 1K. Yeah, crash 1K, guys. Let's go back to, you see, crash 1K. It went like it didn't even break our level. We were using 1 hour, if I'm not mistaken. I told you, it won't break above. It's just moving in a clear market, bearish market structure. Remember, you know the market structure, guys. You know how a downtrend moves. You know, this is gonna be what? A high, low, high, low. High, low. Guys, you know these things, guys. I don't know why you're not applying them. You know these things. High, low. And then this is what? It's a lower low. Lower low. Lower low. Guys, lower low. Guys, these things of spikes, they are very dumb. When it goes down, it gives you a nice market structure. So what is it that is special for you to buy here? I repeat, this is the question that you have to ask yourself. So nothing that is special. You see, and then if you can check, here's it. Then what should happen next? This should happen. You can see if you are serious about going up. Yesterday, it should have, when we wake up, maybe we find it somewhere here. You see, so it's still obeying our what? This is a higher low. Simple like that. This is a nice market structure. Guys, you know these things. Guys, you really know these things. Okay, and then you still have to go where? To go down. And then let's check boom. We're having boom. This is boom. What? This is boom. Let's go to hourly chart. If I remember, I made this setup on a daily chart. You still remember? I told you to even here's the prediction, the error. Here's the error. Anything is here. Everything is here, guys. This is the setup that we made yesterday. You see, everything is here, guys. I won't lie to you. I will show you something that it's not wiki. So you see, it pushed up. Let's go to a lower time frame. I want to show you something that our boom 500 was a nice profit, and then we got it here. We got it somewhere around here. Here, we got it. Yeah, if I'm not mistaken, we got it somewhere around here. And then check what happened. It went up. It pushed up. It's just that we couldn't be able to close the trade. So that's why using a higher time frame. This is the disadvantage of using a higher time frame. You just have to hold. You understand? So let's check another spikes. Boom 1K. Yes, boom 1K. I was still going to. This is the setup that I've made yesterday. This is the sell side liquidity. Why I'm saying it's a sell side liquidity, because here below there is a lot of people who are thinking the market will break below and then continue selling, and it made like there is a lot of sell stops below this level. So this one will just wait for it. Remember, guys, you can make a setup and wait for it even a week. You don't rush. Never. This is our current footy. Let me draw a perfect accurate a setup. We are expecting for the market to come break below and then it continues buying. Remember, if you check the trend, H4 is still trending up. Do you understand? This is the trend up. So what is it that is special for us to be selling? Nothing. Guys, you know these things. Guys, check. Footy, everything I think is clear here. Let me show you. You know these things, guys. You know. This is an uptrend. This is an uptrend. This is an uptrend. You know how an uptrend is built. You know how an uptrend is built. What is this? HH. Higher high. Higher high. Higher high. Higher high. There is someone who's trying to share with me there. Higher high. Simple like that. What is this? Hello. That is high. Lower high. Guys, come on, guys. I'm making everything simple. If you can check, it's not the zigzags that I'm drawing there. I don't these ones. Simple like that. So, but then here, because you see, where is it? The market is at the maximum. Then, if you can check, we know good, okay, how the market works. It works mostly before the bank trader. We have to think about I can say maybe an extensional move before we get a highest or maybe an accurate setup. So every time being a bank trader, you think about an extensional move before you get a perfect setup. What do I mean? I mean something like this. If you can check 50 minutes time frame, 15 minutes time frame, let's zoom out. Here we're looking to sell, but then we didn't sell where? Exactly here. We expect an extensional move before we get an accurate setup. And you see, simple like that. So this is how we do it, guys. So here I was just sharing you the results, and then maybe let's check another what's left. Boom 300. Here's our boom 300. I told you it will retest here. This is the hourly chart, guys. I drew this thing yesterday. I told you this is gonna be our flip zone. And if you check, I drew it somewhere. The market was still giving us only one candle here. It was here, and then check what happened. It pushed up. It came back again. It's still pushing up. Guys, if you're not leading from this video footy corner, you'll never understand spikes. Guys, still remember, here the market was here. We only had this one candle. You'll see when I've combined these videos. We only had one candle. I told you what's happening. We do this. Check where I bought. Here, you see it pushed up. It pushed up. All trades were one. It pushed up, and now it came back again for that same retest on the flip zone. This is a flip zone, guys. I'm telling you again. This is a flip zone. What is a flip zone? Check. This is a flip zone. I don't have to explain. Just only by putting these arrows, I think maybe it will try to explain a lot to you. This is a flip zone, guys. You can see these things, guys. You know these things, but then when you come here, I don't know what's fooling you. The candle, they are fooling you. You see, okay, here it was a what? Here this was the highest level, and then it was a resistance level, then it broke. What happens if the market broke I can say the resistance? It becomes support. This is just everyone who's learning Forex knows these things. Simple like that. So we got one entry, and then it came and give us the second entry. And then from there, it's fine. You got two entries, and then if you decide to miss them, it's fine. So if you check here, I drew this level, the market was still coming here, and then check what happened, rejected exactly that level. If we can go back to 5 minutes, let me show you. Here, we find the market somewhere here, we bought, check what we bought. And then after, it went up. Now it's back again, up. Guys, I think this is a lot. Let's check crash 300, the very same thing. Footy. Even these are the results that I wanted to show you guys. I've been willing to show you just that network yesterday was playing with us. You see, this is crash 300. Just there's a lot of spikes. It's just that I'm using a PC here, and a PC might seem like maybe it's not maybe I mean, it's not maybe like a long maybe a long run. But then if you can check all the food, you can check where we started to get these pips, these spikes. Check here, check from there to there. And then what's happening? Now it's in the flip zone, still going to go down. Where? Here. This is a flip zone. This is just creating sort of a retracement. Or is it going down? Simple like that. Nothing is blurry here. Simple like that. What does the market has to do? It has to imbalance this move. It has to imbalance this gap. This is the gap that the market has to imbalance. You see, this is the gap the market that it has to imbalance. Check. This was just a bullish liquidity void. And then what's happening now? Now we're gonna be having what? Imbalancement. So when I'm trading the imbalancement, I told you guys, I made several videos about this. Made several videos about this. There are many videos on my YouTube. Even the last one that was like the one that I have uploaded, I can say few days back, it was talking about something like this. Simple. The very same momentum it went up, it will come and start doing the very same momentum it went up, it will go down. Simple like that. This is an imbalancement. Simple, guys. These are spikes, guys. These things they don't talk. Crash 100, still going to go down there. Simple market structure. Boom 500. This is a daily chart. Even never know what has it done. Yo. So here is a spike. Even it went before here. It didn't even arrive here. So if you were trading like it was giving you what a second entry. So that's why if you're using a daily time frame, guys, never try to lock profit. Just hold, because you know with your initial stop loss, it's where your initial TP is where. If you can check what's happening. What's this? Lower low. What's this? Lower low. What's this? Lower low. What's this? Lower low. What's the expectation? To push up until it breaks above what? Our high. It continues going up. Guys, there's no use for you to use indicators. There's no use for you to use systems. There's no use, guys. Price action. Put this not price action. This is bank trading. I'm even giving you a nice, nice order flow. I had many PDFs showing you this is the setup. I told you what's the order flow. Like how do you say break of structure? It comes from a downtrend. The market comes from a downtrend, and then it goes consolidation. And then in that consolidation, we can have a what liquidity injection. Then it consolidate, and then after it start building up in the uptrend. Then it goes like that. Simple. And then if you check, this is the bank's liquidity, and this is a liquidity injection. Here is it. Here is it. What is this? This is not a bank liquidity injection. This is many people were kicked out here. Guys. Or you just enjoy learning something that you don't even use. Simple. Guys. Okay. If you still remember here something I told you. You see, here we only had what? A buy liquidity void. So only buyers were there, and then check what happened. This is an imbalancement. This is an imbalancement. Set stop loss where? For those who use stop losses, few pips away from there, and then TP where? TP here. TP here. You see? So even here you got many like it even pushed below. Check, guys. Check. Now what? Remember, where's your target? Where the bullish liquidity was started. Then from there, you come back with it. This thing is very simple, guys. When I share signal, sometimes you don't see how we do it. So now I'm showing you how we do it. What's next? What's next? There is nothing that is next. Here it is. I told you I've drawn it soon here. I was with you. I told you Here is just a flip zone. The market will just retest here and continue going down. Even it issued spikes. Check. Yo. Guys, don't ever text me again and ask me, hey, Wabs, how do we trade spike? Hey, how do we see? How do we expect? Hey, how shall we? Check. Yeah, I told you it's a retest. It's still going to go down. Simple like that. I showed you here soon. I don't even have 5 minutes. It was here. I told you this is just a flip zone. It will continue going down. This was only buyers. You know, the market, it works in a matter of demand and supply. So it has to balance both the size, the gaps. If people are only selling, who will be buying? Because we exchange. That's why we say it's a foreign exchange. We exchange. If others buy, we sell. If others sell, we buy from them. Simple like that. So it can't keep buying every time. If there is buying, we say, who are they buying from? No sellers. Simple. So this is just a two-way traffic. You see, it goes up, it has to refill back. Those people who bought here, they have to come and sell to us, then we sell the market. Something like that, guys. This thing is programmed. These things are programmed. So guys, I'm tired talking one thing every time. Every video that I'm doing, I'm talking about the very same thing. So guys, till we meet next time on the next session. I'm not sure when it's going to be, but then Mina now already I've shared with you how you trade spikes. Guys, this is very, I'm tired. Guys, good luck out. We'll meet next time on our following video. So make sure, guys, for those who are having questions, they can come to my inbox and ask via my inbox. But there's nothing that I have to explain here because everything was clear. In case you missed the yesterday's video, I will try to combine these two videos. Even though it will be the one laughing while I'm even not there. Hey, my guy, when I check those videos too, like, yeah, what is, but did you see me adding indicators there? No indicator. Check my chart. Just candlestick spell. Even the indicator that I can tell you to use is this one. For those who are love using indicators, let me show you the indicator that we use on spikes. I need to Nintendo 7 some indicator. This is the indicator that we use. Hi guys, you're full of fun, guys. This is my indicator, you see. So guys, this was Forex trading institute, guys. Still meet on our next video. So guys, keep learning, keep trading alone. You don't have to wait for me. There are many PDFs I've shared you there. Typed many things. Everything that you need is there on Telegram. It's there on YouTube. I'm there in WhatsApp for clarification. So guys, this is my indicator. This is the indicator that you use. Once you put this indicator behind your chart, I'm sure everything that I'm teaching you, it will like just come into your mind without even fear will just go south. So guys, please try to trade, guys. Try to trade. These things are very slow. And are very dumb. So you can hold these trades. That's why sometimes, and you see, the moment now we're expecting for it to come and refill it, it can even break below, it continues going down 4 days young Japans. So guys, please try to make sure you practice. That's why I don't love sending signals every time because it makes people to become lazy. So let's chase knowledge, guys. Good luck, peace, till we meet on our next video. I'm out.